Welcome to the Gyre AI tutorial. I will guide you through the process of achieving flawless background removal and replacement. By following these steps, you'll be able to create stunning visuals that truly stand out. So let's dive right in and explore the world of background manipulation. Firstly, we'll cover the background removal process. I'll show you the most effective and efficient method to isolate your subject from the background. It is very easy to use with the Gyre AI connector. Click in the Layer menu on Remove Background. Now a new layer with transparent background will be generated. Click on Change Type. Now select Background Replacement. Click on the Generation Window tool and on the Cover Full Image button on the right. I am selecting the Cinematic preset. As prompt, I am using Woman in New York and start the image generation. As you observe, we are presented with a multitude of visually pleasing outcomes.